Yesterday, I took the last of my money out of the bank. Just had a feeling. It wasn't very much, but I took all my money out of the bank and had a feeling and got my half ounce of cannabis. Today, this big bag here is $50. It's a far a day bag. Now, I'm all done with my EMP bags. There's one, two, and for my solar panel, and also my drill set fits in there with my screwdrivers. So unbelievable. I can't believe that some people were pissed off today, and I don't blame them. Their bank machine didn't work. I'm just happy for some reason. I went to my bank yesterday and took everything out. Just a little feeling. I didn't have much in, so